Hi, so in this video, I've got Sue online with me. Hey, Sue.
Hi there.
And Sue and I are going to demonstrate how you can work together on an Excel spreadsheet that you are sharing. This particular spreadsheet I've made, I've only started the work because Sue's going to help me with it. And I'm making a list of any changes I find from the desktop version as we go. Let me just share this spreadsheet with Sue. So I click on share underneath my picture just here, and then I share it with Sue. So I just pop in Sue's email address. It will find Sue. That's the one there. And I can add other people if I want to. And then I put in a message. That's my message. And I'm allowing Sue to edit, of course, because that's the point of this video. So I'll send that to her. And that means that she'll have a link to the plan and she should be able to come in on the plan. And when Sue comes in onto this spreadsheet, we will see her mouse moving. Oh, I can see Sue's arrived. Look, there's Sue's icon. She's got the workbook open. One of the things that I noticed was, of course, normally when you start typing, some of your columns aren't wide enough. You could go between the column letters, double click, and that would automatically make them wide enough, but it doesn't work on the online version. So there's no double click for column width. So can you see the word Magdalena here? Not wide enough, can't double click. I have to go the long way around, back up to format on the home ribbon and auto fit the column width just to make it wide enough. Auto fit the column width, there we are. So if Sue and I both work on it simultaneously, so Sue, if you want to try doing the surnames, I shouldn't be in your way then. I'll start putting some emails in, and that way we could work on this document twice as fast, couldn't we? That's a feature that's come up on screen that I'll just talk through while Sue's working away there. Look, you can discover new changes, and if I press this button, it will show me the changes over on the right here, and this is showing me what Sue is editing as she's doing it. So, you know, there's never any worry that somebody's doing something you wouldn't know about just there. I'm just going to close those off and carry on doing my part of the spreadsheet, how it works. And you can see there's no problem with me and Sue working together in this. So Sue could put some made up phone numbers in, but or the departments or the sites and that sort of thing. But you can see as I'm waiting here, I'm getting on with my bit of the spreadsheet. So long as Sue and I don't try and interact on the same cell at the same time, this works. And if we wanted to add those numbers up, will the shortcut for auto sum work? Alt equals. Yes, it does. So that works. That's interesting, isn't it? So a couple of things there did work. So the new thing that you can see is each other working. You know, normally we wouldn't be talking as we work because we're in a Teams meeting to explain this to everybody. However, what we would be doing is using the comments here. And we do this, don't we, Sue, as we work on a file. We'll leave each other comments and assign something to her. And she does the same to me. Send that in, and that's how you do it. So I think that it's probably enough just to wrap it up for now about how you can share an Excel spreadsheet and work on it together. There's one or two reasons why I wouldn't do that necessarily rather than work on it in desktop software, but the fact we can work together on it and see what each other's doing might outweigh those. It might be something we could do more often, because sometimes, you know, it's taken a long while to do a job, and if we join in together, it's quicker, isn't it? If anybody has got any questions about this, then please get in touch, and our contact details will be on screen straight away afterwards. Thanks very much.